a camping vlog, except it's 6 p.m. and it's a 2-hour drive, so we're just gonna take it as it goes. But we are headed to Shenandoah National Park for the first time. And got Mr. Butter back here. Oops. So, see you soon.
Is there someone here? It's creepy, but sure.
Be
Oh,
125.
there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that seems about right.
Hello. So we just got to our campsite and it's completely dark, but we are pretty close to the other campsites as well. I don't know if you can see, there's a restroom over here. They're over here. So we're gonna set up. Butter's super happy about the leaves. Just making a ruckus over there. And time to put my headlamp on. I can't see, so we'll put this on and set up camp. But no campfires because we didn't arrive in time to get firewood and I didn't see any stores with them. So we'll have to do a campfire tomorrow. Over here. Hi, Butter. We got the tent set up here. Kind of. Call me crazy, but we did go back to get the food because I don't mess around with my food and it's so late. I feel a little bad almost, but I guess it would be the same if we were stargazing, but sorry neighbors, won't happen again. No idea how we forgot our entire cooler, but it's fine because not everything happens to plan. Without further ado, I will have to see you guys in the morning since I think we're gonna have to be pretty low-key when we get back to camp, just in and out, bedtime. So, have a good night! Good morning! We got back to camp around 1:30. I feel a little dead, it's like 8, but I am determined to have a really nice trip here to come see the leaves in the autumn, but it is very cold. Thank you, Nemo, for this amazing down tent. And this is the Sea to Summit pillow. I just bought this yesterday, and it's just really comfortable for not a real pillow. You can see it's like very buoyant. We were gonna go for a sunrise hike, but obviously with us and our little expedition last night, it's not gonna happen. But we'll probably go for a hike today and go walk around and see the leaves and just enjoy the park. I think first we're gonna make some ramen for breakfast because we didn't get to make it last night. Good morning, Butter. Spam. These are marinating eggs. Pre-cooked. Mushroom. Look how cute these are. I'm convinced that ramen tastes better when you're camping.
Let's drive for no reason. Let's see what these wheels land. Let's grind down the curve of this earth. You look fine in the evening, honey, it's starting the storm. When we kissed in the car, in the school parking lot, where I'd go with my friends to get drunk.
I'm gonna go hike so you can go see all the leaves from a vantage point.
To anywhere, to anyone. When forever was a sentence, sentenced to death. Oh, when you were a running tear, I was a drop of sweat. And the edges of your soul be alone
Like open the fire up and then
for the
close it.
rest of my life. I'll build a boat for when the river gets high. And I'll meet a girl in the heat of July, and I'll tell her so she knows.
Hello from our tent. It's pretty much bedtime for us. Water is snuck into my sleeping bag area, and so there's Matt over there. But I guess it's kind of chilly, so I'll let it slide this time. It got way too dark to film the udon, but that is the trick. That is the trick if you're freezing, just to make a big thing of soup and let it warm your soul. Because I felt so much better. We're just gonna chill out. I'm gonna read and then we'll head to bed. And tomorrow we'll go on another hike maybe. And maybe try and catch a sunset, but maybe we'll just head back to the house. Not sure yet. TBD. Good night. Go, Bobby. Good morning. I just woke up. It's so hard waking up freezing. So I'm putting my clothes back on from last night. Got a Uniqlo vest. This is their down vest. This is the light puffer. And these are really great for my hair. They kept me super warm last night. Also from Uniqlo. And then lastly, just have this fluffy jacket, which is also, you won't guess what, it will be from Uniqlo as well. This part is like a hood. So much better. And then I'm going to change into my sweats. Potato, zucchini, and spam. And then maybe an egg on top too. Looks so good. Some eggy. So I can tell you.
This egg is very egg-like.
Do I owe each kiss to lip and cheek as soft as chicken sing? Let's get lost and let the good times roll. Let's
False here, look at this. Cider and donuts combined into like a single unit. Incredible.